Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back. Look, I gotta show you these things, man. It's the mini smart socket. I love these little things, man. They come two in a package. And the reason why I like them is because they work with your Google Home, all the homes, so the Google Home app, and they actually work with the Amazon Alexa. So this little thing right here is literally a smart plug, man. It's amazing what kind of technology they pack in a small space. When I first got it, I pulled it out of a box. By the way, two come in the package. I've already hooked up one. It's in my bedroom. It's got the little the candle, not the candle, but the the wax warmer deal. So it's the air freshener. But I'm gonna use this one somewhere else in the house. I'll figure it out. But right now we're gonna use it and we're gonna call this thing YouTube Lite because I'm gonna show you how to set it up too. So basically you pull it out and this is all you get. So you get a power button right there and then you get your 3-prong outlet right there. And it's also a 3-prong on the back. So make sure you're plugging this into something with 3 prongs, preferably the socket inside of your house. But then you have this LED ring around it. Now when you first plug it up, this kind of got me right here. So when you first plug it up, it lights up red. It just kind of turned on by itself and I was thinking, why is this thing red? And then I realized it was RGB. You can change this thing to any color you want. So I'm gonna show you an app. So basically I've got it powered up right here. It's powered up, but it's not actually on. So if you can see right there, it's actually powered on right there. Now let's go to the app. Okay, I've already got the app installed. Nope, that's the Google Home app. Let's go in here to the Smart Life app because that's where your functions will reside. So first we're gonna hit this plus button right here. Then we're gonna add an electrical outlet right there. Power on the device and confirm that the indicator light rapidly blinks. Let me go ahead and press that button right there. I'm pressing and holding. I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing that, but it's got some clicking and it's blinking pretty rapidly. And yes, I'm gonna go ahead and confirm that. And I gotta put in my Wi-Fi password, so cover your eyes because I don't want y'all knowing my business. All right, then it goes into its connecting right there. And it's doing some flashing, all kinds of crazy stuff. Okay, it looks like everything's all set up. It says share with family. No, let's not do that right now. I don't want them all in my business. It says RGB Smart Plug 2. Let me go ahead and rename that right now to YouTube Lite. Let me do it right now. The YouTube Lite. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna hit done. Now it says the firmware must be updated, so let's go ahead and get that out of the way. So first off, before we plug anything in, I wanna show y'all how fancy we can get with these colors. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and hit color. It's set at dark, that's why you can barely see it. But then I slide this slider over to 100%. You see that bright red right there? Now I can play around with this coloring, and then we get all kinds of colors on the, oh man, RGB at its finest right there. That is so slick. So let's go ahead and leave it green because green means go. All right, so let's go ahead and plug something in this thing and see how it works. If you don't have Alexa and you don't have Google Home, don't worry, you can control everything with this app. You've already changed the colors on here, so all you have to do is press this little power button right here, on and off. You can even set timers. So if you want to set your lamp on a timer, you got a 15-minute timer here and you can do it all around the clock. You can do it for 10 hours and 15 minutes if you want to. So let's back out of that, turn the light on, make sure it's working. So now let's go into the Google Home app and discover this bad boy so now I can control it with my voice. So first we're going to the home control section of your Google Home app and then you will look for devices. And then you're gonna add a device right there. So we're gonna scroll all the way down to the Smart Life app. Let me look for it. There it is right there, Smart Life. I'll just tap that. Then I'll walk through everything it tells me to do. And I'll hit link now. It asks if Google can be authorized to control this bad boy. I say yes. It takes me right back to the Google Home app and it says it's linking up right now. Man, this is so quick and simple. Very user-friendly as far as the installation and integrating it with Google Home. So now I'll go ahead and say, okay, Google, turn on the YouTube light.
Okay, turning the YouTube light on.
Yeah, and then it just works. Hey, Google, turn the YouTube light off. Okay, I had to rename the light Studio Light because for some reason this does not like the term YouTube light. Anyways, turn the studio light on.
Okay, turning the studio light on.
There it goes. Turn the studio light off.
Okay, turning off the studio light.
There you go. And that's the integration with Google Home. It works the same way with Amazon Alexa, but like I said, if you don't have either one, you can always use the Smart Light app. I love the fact that it has this LED ring around it. Let me go ahead and turn it on for you guys. It's just a simple touch right there. And then of course, once again, you can change the color. You can actually control the brightness of it, so it's going down. And now I'm gonna go ahead and change it to blue because I'm feeling cool blue right now. Look, I love my smart devices, love my tech. This is going in the collection. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it, man. I already got one hooked up in the bedroom and I need to find a place for this one. Anyways, I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews. But before I get out of here, y'all go ahead and tap on that like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.